A couple of days ago, some images leaked purportedly showing the upcoming OPPO Find X9 Ultra with a telephoto extender. A new leak purportedly brings us our first look at its back, and it's definitely an interesting design that clearly wants to instantly make you think of digital cameras. The gigantic camera island is a circle that takes up almost the entirety of the rear's horizontal axis, while the back itself seems to be made from two separate materials, metal, perhaps in a unibody construction with the frame, and something that looks like it could be some faux leather variant aimed to increase grip when shooting. The Find X9 Ultra around a 200MP primary camera with a 1/1.12-inch optical format, a 200MP telephoto camera delivering a 1/1.28-inch sensor size, 50MP ISOCELL JN5 for ultra-wide-angle, the other 50MP telephoto, but the leak says it will upgrade its zoom range to 10x from 6x. The Find X9 Ultra has a 6.82-inch flat OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, powered by a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. OPPO Find X9 Ultra tipped to pack a 7000 mAh dual-cell battery with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. OPPO is moving towards releasing the Find X9 Ultra both in China and globally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.